Today we're going to learn how to solve equations with multiplication or division. Now, this is a one-step equation because it has only one operation. 5x means multiply. Remember, when you see the number right next to the variable like that, that means multiplication. Now, in order to get the variable by itself, to get x equals some number, we must do the inverse or opposite operation. So again, instead of multiplying by 5, we are going to do the opposite. We are simply just going to divide by 5. Now remember, you have to do that to both sides of the equation. Now, 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 1x is just x. And of course, 30 divided by 5 is 6, so right now that gives us an answer of x equals 6. Now the last thing we need to do is check our answer with substitution. We need to substitute the variable for 6. So instead of x, we're going to put 6. And remember, this is multiplication, so it's going to give us 5 times 6 equals 30. And of course, 5 times 6 is 30. So our equation balances out. We have 30 on both sides, which means our answer of x equals 6 is correct. Now let's look at a division equation. Now again, this is a one-step equation because there's only one operation, and this expression x over 2 means x divided by 2. So our operation is division. Now again, the goal of an equation is to isolate the variable or get it all by itself, so we get x equals some number. Now in order to do that, we must isolate the variable. We need to do the inverse or opposite operation. So instead of dividing by 2, what we are going to do is multiply by 2, and we'll make that a fraction. And on the other side, we need to multiply by 2, and we don't have to make that a fraction. Now we can cross cancel our 2's, and that's going to leave us with x. And 4 times 2 is 8. So right now our answer is x equals 8. Now what we need to do is check our answer by substituting for the variable. So instead of x, we're going to put 8. And that gives us 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And of course 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our equation balances out. We get 4 on both sides. So our answer of x equals 8 is correct.